How to change font on iPhone iOS 18. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to change the font on your iPhone running iOS 18. Stick with me until the end and let's get started. First, head over to your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General to access your system settings. In the General menu, find and tap on Fonts. You'll see two options here, System Fonts and My Fonts. Tap on System Fonts to begin. Here, you'll find a list of pre-installed fonts, or you can tap on Download icon to get additional fonts from the App Store. Open any font and preview them. Once you've explored and previewed some fonts, go back and select My Fonts to see your new fonts. If you want to add a new font, simply choose one from the App Store, download it, and install it. Once installed, it will show up Fonts list. Select the font you want to use, and it'll become your default font for all supported apps and features. To see it in action, open an app like Notes or Mail, and you'll notice your new font. And that's it! Now you know how to change the font on your iPhone running iOS 18. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.